Alright, so hello ulit sa lahat, no? So, video pa na ito ay papakita ko lang po, very short clip lang po. Yung pag-uusapan natin is only about getting the cheapest, or in my case lang ha, disclaimer lang, pero nag-research din ako ng mga pinakamurang travel insurance in going to any country, or particularly po in Singapore. So, everything based on my research, no, nag-try din ako dyan sa Star Insurance. Actually, maganda din yun. Kaya lang, pag mag-click ka ng next, meron ding mga additional fees. Maganda din siya. Pwede din yung i-try si Manulife. Actually, disclaimer lang po, hindi pa ako endorser ni Etika. Nangyari lang po na ito po yung kinuha ko ng pinakamura po. Alright, so actually doon sa immigration, no, disclaimer lang din po, hindi to true to all immigration, pero I think yun na yung standard nila, since hindi na nila hinahanap si VAC certification. So yung hinanap na lang nila is yung travel insurance mo. Tapos tatanungin ka nila, what's the company of your travel insurance, tapos do you have any proof? So ipapakita ko din after the video kung ano ipapakita natin sa immigration if in case hanapin nila si policy number ng travel insurance natin. Actually doon lang din sa email natin ipapakita. So in 3, 2, 1, before I'll start now, please don't forget to subscribe. Please support my small channel, help me grow with these tutorial videos that I will be making. So ayun, maraming salamat po from the bottom of my heart for the subscription. Tapos po, watch na din ang other vlogs ko, baka helpful po sa inyo. Salamat po. So ito na po, pag-uusapan natin everything about sa insurance. So far, my experience was yung pinakamura talaga hinanap ko. Naghunting ako ng pinakamurang travel insurance just for me to save money. I clicked in Google, tapos nag-search ako ng cheapest travel insurance. So yun yung nakita ko by far. Marami ding ibang travel insurance, pero so far ito yung kinuha ko kasi yun nga, napakamura niyang kunin. So yun, yung Etika Travel Insurance. So pwede ka ding dito sa Google, i-diretso mo na si Etika Travel Insurance. So i-click mo yun si Etika, tapos may website siya, etika.com.ph. So, doon tayo apply. So, guest lang tayo dito. So, just click on that. Apply now. Tapos, travel insurance, international of course, airport. And then, departure date. Halimbawa, tomorrow ako magdi-depart, 22. Halimbawa, galing tayo sa NAIA. Kasi ito yung pinaka-common na point of origin ng mga international travels. Saan tayo pupunta? Let's say Singapore. And of course, halimbawa dalawa, i-click mo din si Malaysia. Pwedeng ganun din. Tapos magre-return tayo. Halimbawa 3 days or 4 days. So let's say 25. Okay. So yun na. Return date is 25. Kompleto na siya. So let's just review. Okay. Bakit ayaw mag-click na 25? Let's say 25. Okay, return date is 25. I-type na natin siya for 25 2023. Okay. Then let's just click submit or next. Tapos, we will have to fill this up again, the next page. Ikaw lang mag-isa, kukunan mo yung self mo individual. Pero halimbawa, group kayo or with families, you just have to click this one. Tapos, ang mangyayari, pag group, you just have to fill in every detail, especially yung passport number, birth date, names of your companions. Tapos saka ka lang nila i-direct sa payment. So yun lang po. Halimbawa individual, let's just see how much. I-click natin yung pinakamura, 500,000. I am traveling with a group or I am traveling alone. Will you travel cruise ship? Of course, no. Chartered plane, no. Tapos hazardous. Tapos ito na siya. Premium is only 260 pesos. So that's all I will have to pay for my insurance. Then I'll just click next. Tapos yun na. Yung first name, last name, birth date, gender, national passport number, optional lang itong mga GSIS number or TIN number, contact details, tapos yun na, pag next mo ng page na ito, is i-direct ka niya patungo sa GCash or sa debit or credit card number. So, yun lang po, napakadali lang po kumuha ng travel insurance in going to any international. Alright, so let's say for example, tapos na tayong mag-fill up at saka mag-payment. Mag-pay pala ng natin in travel insurance. Automatically right there and then, i-email din sa atin ng travel insurance company yung ating policy number. So, in my case, dito, pinakita ko lang siya. Ito yung email nila. Tapos, may sinend sila na password. So, I just long pressed using my phone yung password. Tapos, ipipaste ko siya doon sa mismong PDF na sinend nila for my policy. So, andun na nga lahat nakasaad yung mga lahat ng travel insurance benefits ko nakasama while I'm on my travel abroad to Singapore and Malaysia for 6 days po. Okay, so ito na po yung sample ng PDF na na-open ko na. Ito lang yung pinakita ko sa immigration officer and then dun din sa Cebu Pac na na staff. Ipinakita ko lang yung policy ko with regarding to my travel. Andun yung lahat ng mga benefits natin, hospital income, trip curtailment, trip cancellation, flight delay, loss of travel documents, and more. What's good in getting travel insurance? Of course, while you're away, you're protected. Tapos may peace of mind ka na while you're away from your country, away from your homeland, is if in case na uncertainties, worst comes to worst, ay protected ka because you have this insurance coverage. Tapos tip ko lang din, pag nagawa kayo ng travel insurance, you must notify or let somebody know in your family or in family in the Philippines or contact number. If in case na may mangyari sa inyo, alam nila kung sino i-contact nila doon sa travel insurance company and how to claim. So, isend nyo na rin lahat ng in-email sa inyo, pati na din yung claim na mga forms. Yun lang po. And I hope you will have a I'm sure kasi na lahat ng nanonood nito is pupunta or may planong mag-travel sa Singapore or any parts of the world, international destinations po. Good luck po sa ating lahat. Tapos yun po, we really have to secure ourselves first and foremost.